Good morning, sixth graders. It's math time. It is Thursday morning and you have a fun lesson ahead of you. It's a lesson that you will use as you get older, and it's ordering off a menu, figuring out how much your items are when you order from a menu, kind of figuring out what your bill would be. That's what it's talking about, buying from a menu. You ready for lesson 7, page 25? And it says, Granny's Poultry Plant serves inexpensive lunches to its employees. Study the menu for Thursday. This is Thursday. All right, and they give you several examples on this page. The first one is Carol chose broccoli cheese soup. And if you look over on your menu on the right, broccoli cheese soup is 95 cents. She had a medium chef salad. That is $2.25. And a cup of coffee, which is $1. And then they tell you what the tax was. The first thing you were supposed to do was find the cost of the meal without tax. And you would have taken each one of those 3 items, added them together. That would have been the cost of the meal without the tax. The next one says find the total cost with tax. And then you would have multiplied it times your tax, and that would have given you your price. Rather than, they give you 3 on your, in your book here on page 26. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the first 2 examples on page 26, and then I'm going to let you guys do example 3. So let's turn the page, and you're again going to be working with this same menu, but it says number 1 says Marla chose a medium chef salad, milk, and carrot cake. The cafeteria charges 2% sales tax. All right, number 1 says what was the cost of the meal without tax? So let's look back. She had a medium chef salad, which is $2.25. And she had a milk, which is 55 cents. And she had carrot cake, which is 50 cents. All right, what was the cost of her meal without tax? So you would add all these things together. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 5 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. The cost of her meal would be $3.30. Now, what was the cost of the meal with the tax? Her tax is 2%. And remember that we learned if you multiply times 1.02, it gives you your final answer. So if you take 330 times 1.02, remember that step saves you a step. So 1.02, we're going to multiply. 2 times 3 is 6, 6. And then we have a row of zeros. 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 3 is 3, and 3. Do your adding. 6, 6, 3, 3. Put your decimal point in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do your rounding. Make this a 7. With tax, it is $3.37. All right? All right, so number 2 says Charlotte and Victoria decided to share a dessert of carrot cake and ice cream and split the cost evenly between them. All right, so sales tax is 2%. What was the cost of the dessert without tax? All right, carrot cake, remember, was 50 cents. And what else did they have? Ice cream. Ice cream cup is also 50 cents. All right, so that's easy to figure. What was the cost of their dessert is $1. And then letter B says what was the cost with tax. So you're going to go $1 times 1.02, which is going to be 1.02. When you multiply 1.02 times 1, $1.02. So that's your answer for B. How much did each girl pay? Well, how many girls are there? It says they split the cost evenly. Their cost was $1.02. There's 2 girls. I think I would divide 2 into 10 is 5. 2 into 2 is 1. They each paid 51 cents. All right, so I'll just go over a little bit on number 3. I want you to do the figuring, but we'll talk about it. First, it says Mr. Mander worked outside unloading the live poultry, so he was very hungry at noon. He ordered beef and noodle soup, a ham and cheese sandwich, a small vegetable plate, and a piece of pie with ice cream. All right, so he's got 5 items. He's got soup, sandwich, vegetable plate, pie, and ice cream. Round each price to the nearest dollar and estimate the cost of the meal. All right, so find your 5 items, write them down, and the first thing you have to do is round them. Round to the nearest dollar. So what I would do is I would put the prices right here, each individual price, and then over here, I would put my rounding over here, okay? My rounded answer over here. And it says estimate the cost of the meal. So after you've rounded everything, add that up, and that will be for your letter A. Letter B says find the actual cost of the meal. So go back here to your original prices, add those up, that'll be the actual cost. Then it says find the cost with the 10% discount. All right, so this would be the actual cost, and then if you have a discount, remember it's 10% off, so you can either multiply times 10 and subtract it, or you can multiply times 0.90, because that's actually the price that he paid. He took 10% off, but he actually paid 90%. So you can go this original cost, which would be on letter B, and multiply it times 0.90. And that will give you your answer for letter C. And letter D, use the discount price to calculate the cost of the meal with tax. Okay, so when you figure letter C, take that cost times 1.02, because that's your tax, and do your figuring, your multiplying. That'll be your answer for letter D. All right? If maybe I went too fast, rewind my video a little bit and go again, and just go slow and follow my instructions for that. Let's see what else you have. On 8 and 9, it says a pack of 25 tracts costs $1. What is the price of 1 tract? Okay, 25 of them cost $1. How much does 1 cost? What are you going to do, Ashley? If you're going to find the cost of 1 tract, 25 of them cost $1. Divide. Very good. Take 25 into $1, and that'll give you the cost for 1. On number 17 on page 28, they want you to multiply to find the number 2 to the 6th power. Do not multiply 2 times 6. Multiply 2 6 times. Okay? That's your answer. That's how you do 17, A, B, and C. Number 28 on page 29 is a yes or no answer, okay? He's got $3 to spend. Can he get the broccoli, cheese soup, cup of coffee, bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich for $3? Does he have enough money? You're going to need to find what that all costs, the soup, the coffee, and the sandwich. Add them together, and if he's got $3, does he have enough money? It's a yes or no question. All right, that is all for your lesson today. Hope you have a great day.